my lord, may I proceed
Yes.
with my cross-examination? Constable, I'm going to commence my cross-examination today, firstly, by taking you to page 47 of Exhibit S.
I thought you said you were going to continue with...
There's one or two questions.
No, man, please. You said to me you're continuing with the affidavit. That's why you wanted a lot of time, because you want to go through the whole affidavit. Now you want to start on some other aspects.
Just one question.
Yeah, okay.
May I ask that if it being on the screen? Constable, you told this court that accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa, was not in the vehicle when you went out to buy alcohol at Top Spa. Do you confirm that?
Kushilo ukuthi umnumzana Mapisa wayengekho emotweni nkathi niyothenga utshwala ke eTops. Usakusho lokho.
Ngichazile ukuthi angibakhumbula abanye ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi uMaphisa wayekhona yedwa noma wayengekho.
I did mention that I can't remember the others, so I cannot say Mapisa was there or not, but yebo.
Ngicacisa khona ukuthi abanye ngabakhumbuli akubakhumbuli. Ngeke ngithi uMaphisa or akusiye.
I was explaining exactly that about the others that I can't remember, so I cannot say it's Mapisa or not.
I don't want to stretch this questioning, but you told this court that it was accused number 3, Gada, Umtobo, yourself, the driver of the vehicle, and another occupant. I was under the impression that Mr. Mapisa, accused number 4, was not there.
Angifuni ukuthi ngigxile kulo mbuzo kodwa ushilo wathi kwakuwena kwakuugadla umthoko kanye nomshayeli. Kulokho ke mina ngase ngithatha ukuthi ke ngokusho kanjalo uMaphisa wayengekho lapho.
So shooting ngithi uMaphisa wayengekho. Ngithe angibakhumbuli abanye ababekhona.
I said I can't remember the others who were there.
I also posed the question yesterday that the person who is standing behind the vehicle, as you can see there in that page 47 of Exhibit S, the person wearing a cap is accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa.
Ngithe kwena ke nama ngishilo ke kuwena izwe ukuthi lo muntu loyana ome lapha yana ogqoka ikepusi uMaphisa.
Do you remember that?
Yakhumbula?
I remember.
How did he arrive there?
Ufike kanjani lapha ya?
Angikwazi ukumphendulela ukuthi ngazi ukuthi ufike kanjani. Ngizwe ngawo ukuthi uye loya.
I cannot answer on his behalf and say how did he get there. I heard it from you that that was him.
Let us leave it there. I will now proceed with my cross-examination. I'll go to your affidavit, the manuscript statement that you made on the 31st of May 2023. Constable, is it correct that you are a member in the South African Police Services with 12 years of experience?
Kuyiqiniso ukuthi uyilunga lesiphoyisa futhi neminyaka ewu12.
Yebo.
That's correct.
Is it correct, Constable, that you obtained training at the beginning of your service in the South African Police Service?
Kuyiqiniso ukuthi ke ngaphambilini kokuthi uqale ukusebenza emaphoyiseni waqeqeshwa.
Yebo.
That's correct.
Would I be correct that part of the training that you received in the South African Police Services was with regards to the taking of statements from witnesses?
Futhi ke ingxenye yaloko kuqeqeshwa okwakuthola kwakumayela ke nokuthatha istatemende kofakazi.
Yebo.
Correct.
Is it correct that after the statement was obtained on the 31st of May 2023, you took an oath?
Nokuthi ke kamuva kokuthi sesithathiwe ke istatemende nge-31 zika May 2023 wathatha isifungo.
Yebo.
Yes.
Constable, what is the significance of taking an oath after a statement has been obtained?
Kuyini ukubaluleka kokuthatha isifungo kamuva kokuthi wenze istatement
Kuqinisekisa ukuthi engikushoyo kuyiqiniso.
is to confirm that what I'm saying is the truth.
Constable, do you confirm that the statement that you made was also commissioned by the Commissioner of Oaths, Brigadier Kininda, and he signed as a Commissioner of Oaths? You also signed the statement and initialed each and every page of the statement. You confirm that?
Uyaqinisekisa yini ukuthi ke kwase ku commissioner yena ke uBrigadier Kininda wasayinda nawe wasayinda kanye futhi ke ipage nganye ke wena wasufaka ama initials zakho?
Yebo.
Yes.
You also confirmed, Constable, that the statement which was read into the record by my colleague, Mr. Ramsepele, is a statement that was obtained by Brigadier Kininda on the 31st of May 2023 at 1300 hours.
Nokuthi ke istatement lesi esifundwe noma esasifundwe uyena ke Mr. Ramsepele ukuthi isona ke lesisatho uyena uBrigadier Kininda nge-31 zika May 2023 ngo-1 isikhathi.
Yebo.
Yes.
Constable, I'm not going to go through the statement, but I'm going to go to the relevant parts, which are going to form part of my cross-examination. Hence, the statement was read to you and you understood the contents of the statement. I'm going to start with my cross-examination. Concentrate to paragraph 3 of your statement. Constable, is it correct that on paragraph 3 of your statement, sorry, my lord, I just want to mark. My lord, with the leave of the court, I'll make a request that the statement by the witness, Constable Senzo Zungu, be handed in as an exhibit.
So this one, we can mark it exhibit AA.
Okay. AA. Yes.
I'm not going to go through the whole paragraph, but I'll start reading from paragraph 8. From line 8, I'm sorry, my lord, line 8 of paragraph 3 of exhibit AA. I'm sorry. It reads as follows, and I quote, Kwabeni did the introduction as we have all grown up and could not recognize each other. He introduced Carlos, who is known to me as Gadla, whose real name is Mtobisi Mncube, and also referred to him as Butelezi Boy. Ngani Sifiso Zungu Ntuli, Mafika Bongani Ntanzi, Mthokoziseni Maphisa. I did not need the introduction of Wayethuleleni Sibiya. Carlos, also known as Gadla, whose real name is Mtobisi Mncube, and we refer to him at times as Butelezi Boy and Sinako Sibiya because I'm used to them and we see each other more often. Close quotation.
Ukwabeni wase ebachaza ke nanjengoba sasikhule sonke futhi ke sesingazani ke noma singasakhumbulani wamchaza ke noma wamethula uCarlos owaziwa ngelika Gadla igama lakhe ke la ngempela kuMthobisi Mncube no futhi noma ebizwa ke kuthiwa uButhelezi Boy unkani Sifiso kuhle Zungu Ntuli Mafika Bongani Ntanzi Mthokoziseni Maphisa sasingekho isidingo sokuthi amethule noma amchazeke umuzi kaUkhulelwa Sibiya uCarlos owaziwa ngelika Gadla igama lakhe ke la ngempela kuMthobisi Mncube futhi ke besivamise ukuthi simbize ngokuthi uButhelezi Boy kanye noSinako Sibiya ngoba ke ngibajwayele and futhi ke isikhathi esiningi siyabonana.
Do you understand the lines, Constable, that I've referred to?
A witness
Yebo.
nods. Yes.
Constable, do you confirm that yesterday, under cross-examination, you mentioned that there is a person by the names of Mtobo who is related to accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa, and that person is accused number 4's brother?
Uyavuma ke ukuthi izolo ushilo ukuthi kunomuntu onegama eliwumthoko futhi lo muntu ke uyisihlobo sakhe unumber 4 futhi umfowabo ka accused number 4.
Ngikushilo yebo.
Yes, I said it.
Constable, do you also confirm further that that person, you said, he was also introduced to you as the brother of accused number 4 by Gwabeni?
Uyavuma ke nokuthi ke ushilo nokuthi uGwabeni wathi umemethula noma emchaza ke leyo muntu washo ke kwena wathi umfowabo ka accused number 4.
Yebo.
Yes.
Constable, I've read to you the paragraph which deals with the introduction by Gwabeni of the person you found at Foster's hostel. You confirm, Constable, that the introduction of Mtogo by Gwabeni as the brother of accused number 4 is not in that paragraph that I've read to you.
Uloko ngiqeda ukufundela khona ke manje la uchazwa khona ke ukuthi uGwabeni wayesebachaza ukuthi wobani akukho okushoyo ukuthi wathi uGwabeni uma echaza noma emethula ke lo amethule ngokuthi umfowabo ka accused number 4 akukho la kule ngiqeda ukufunda manje.
Ukhuluma ngamapho umthoko.
Which Mtoko are you referring to?
No, Constable, please. I'm not going to entertain your attitude. I was patient with you yesterday. I'm asking you simple questions, and I'm expecting to answer to my simple questions, not ask me questions. If you don't understand the question, you must ask that it be repeated. I'll gladly do so.
Angeke ke iattitude yakho nge-entertain izolo ke ngiyengakubekezela uma kuwukuthi nje umbuzo awuzwa isho ke ukuthi ucela umbuze ngiwuphinde ungangibuzi imibuzo.
Ukuthi mawukhuluma ngomthokozi Maphisa, ukhuluma ngomthokozi accused number 4 noma ukhuluma ngomthoko engirefere kuyi.
When you make reference to Mthokozi Maphisa,
accused number 3 umfowabo ka accused number 4.
I never said accused number 3 is accused number 4's brother. When you refer to Mthokozi Maphisa, are you referring to accused number 4 or the Mtoko that I referred to?
No, Constable, don't downplay. You understood the question very well.
Yeah, I mean, the evidence is clear. There are 2 Mtogos. And when this witness wants to find out which one you're referring to, you say he's wasting your time. You mustn't play marbles. But as I'm listening to the evidence, there are 2 Mtogos. 2. And he's entitled to ask which one are you referring to, because you're putting it to him that the fact that Gwabeni introduced this witness called Mtogos, who is apparently said to be the brother of number 4, it was never mentioned in the statement. And when the witness wants you to clarify that, you make short shrift of his request.
I'm sorry, my lord, may I repeat the question for the witness? I'm going to repeat the question, Constable. The question to you is that in that paragraph, the lines, more particularly the lines that I've read to you, it is not in that paragraph that Gwabeni also introduced Mtogo, not Mtogozis. Please try to understand this. Grasp this name, Mtogo, to you as the brother of accused number 4. That is the question.
Lana ne kunale ndawo la othi khona ke uGwabeni uma ebethula noma ebachaza wathi umthoko umfowabo kaMthokoziseni Maphisa. Uthi ke lokho akukho la kule ndawo la eqala la ukuthi uGwabeni wasebachaza ukuthi ubani. Lana ke kuyona yonke lento ayikho indawo ethi wathi uma echaza umthoko wathi umfowabo kaMthokoziseni Maphisa. Ayibhaliwe la.
Yes, thank you.
Sengakuphendula lapho uzokuzwa lokho. Uyabona mawuchaza umuntu wayengafikanga ukuthi abamise bonke athi lapha lo yilo. Kwakufika lo ngizokhuluma naye ngalesikhathi. Mangikhulume nalo, kwamfika oisibili wayengeke athi lo yiloya waloya. Kodwa kwakusimple ukuyithe umfowabo kaMaphisa umthoko. Akashonga ukuthi ngoba beme bonke la kanye usithi lo umfowabo kaMaphisa lo. Cha.
He didn't make them to line up and then introduce them one by one. I would be speaking to a particular person, he would then come and say, this is who. He would not then say, if Mtogo is here, and say, now this one is the brother of that one, but he would introduce a person at a particular point when I'm speaking to that person at that time.
I'm going to proceed. At least I've ventilated what I wanted to get. I'm going to argue later.
Ngizoqhubeka-ke lokho-ke ngizokhuluma mase ngenza izethulo zami enkantolo.
Can we then now move to paragraph 4 of your statement, Exhibit AA? But before I pose the question, I just want you to clarify this for me. You said in your evidence in chief that at some point you left the hostel to buy liquor.
Eshilo-ke ukuthi kwakunenkathi la enahamba noma owahamba khona-ke ehostel waphuma niyothenga utshwala.
Yebo, ngishilo lokho.
Yes, I said that.
On how many occasions did you go out?
Kwenzeka lokho amahlandla amangaki ukuthi uphume ehostel?
Uphuma hostel complete out of the hostel noma uphuma hostel eminyango yengaphandle.
Is it like leaving the hostel completely or just leaving the hostel going out of the door to the outside?
To buy liquor.
Ukuyothenga utshwala.
On how many occasions?
Ngaphuma amahlandla amangaki?
Yeah, angakhumbuli.
I can't remember.
Was it once?
Once.
Did you go out once?
Uphuma ngaphandle hostel.
Ukuyothenga utshwala.
Please.
Utshwala.
Yes.
Uphuma maybe more than once. Uphuma eminyango khona labadayisa khona utshwala ngisho ukuthi ngihamba nomunye intombazane ngiyothenga khona la eduzane.
I would say more than once because there's an occasion which I made mention of where I went out with a lady. It was just close by to go and buy liquor.
Okay, I understand you. So there was another occasion where you went out using, as you said initially, the Uno motor vehicle, which later you then said it was, you did not pay much attention to the description of the motor vehicle, but you cannot dispute if it was a VW Polo Playa. There was another occasion. You confirm that?
Likhona elinye ihlandla ngithi uzokhuluma-ke uyakhumbula ukuthi ukhulume nge-Uno wase bakhona-ke nelinye ihlandla-ke la uthi khona-ke awubhekanga-ke ukuthi imoto yinike kodwa ungeke kuphikiseke ukuthi kwakuyi-VW.
Njengoba ngike ngabosho ukuthi imoto angiyibhekanga ngoba isikhathi side isikhathi kwenzeka kuso. Ngangikhumbula ukuthi imoto encane e-range. Uma ukuthi i-Polo Player ngiyavumelana ukuthi okay, maybe ngenza i-mistake uma ngithi i-Polo Player. Kodwa yiyo imoto e-red engaphuma ngayo uma ngiphuma ngaphandle kwe-hostel.
I did say that I did not take I didn't concentrate on the details or particulars of the car, but it was a small red car. But if you say that it was a Polo Player, then I would then accede to that because it's a long time ago that this happened. Maybe I made a mistake by saying that it was an Uno.
Okay, let us now move on to paragraph 4 of your statement. Line 10 to 11 of that paragraph. It reads as follows. I also at some point went out to the shops to buy some alcohol drinks with a certain lady and came back into Kwabeni's house. Close quotation.
Kunehlandla-ke la engaphuma khona ngaya ey'tolo ngiyothenga-ke utshwala ngihamba-ke nesisi othize ngase ngibuyela khona-ke emzini kaGwabeni.
You confirm that at some point, as you have answered my question, that you went out with a certain lady to the shop.
Nanjengoba uqeda ukusho ukuthi ukhona lo sisi owaphuma naye.
Yebo ngoba ngisho ukuthi khona intombazane engaphuma nayo ngawuthenga nayo.
Yes, just as I said that there's a lady that I went out with to go and buy a liquor.
When you were going out with that lady to buy alcohol, did you drive or you walk on foot?
Ingabe nkathi uhamba-ke nayo leyo ntombazane nahamba ngemoto noma nanihamba ngey'nyawo?
Sahamba ngenyawo.
We walked.
Constable, is it correct that there is another occasion where you went out in a vehicle where you told this court in your evidence in chief that Gadla, who is accused number 3 before court, Mtogo, yourself, the driver of the vehicle you were traveling in, and another occupant, you went out to buy alcohol at Top Spa.
Angithi noma uyavuma yini ukuthi likhona lelihlandla ofakaze ngalo la enkantolo othi kwakuwena kuugadla uaccused number 3 umthoko umshayeli wemoto kanye nomunye futhi owayekhona emotweni la enaya khona kwa Spa name Mthoko, when I previously said that I cannot remember whether Mthoko was there or not. I don't know whether now you want me to say yes or no.
Constable, I'm taking the name Mthoko from you. You said on your own words that Mthoko was in the vehicle when you went out. Not Mthoko, the brother of accused number 3. That is what you told the court.
Mina ngikubuza ngento eshiwo wena mangithi Mthoko manje ngikhuluma ngobrother wakhe ke ngikhuluma ngobrother umthoko igama lelo eliphume kuwena
uma ungibuza ngomthokozi uma ungibuza ngomthoko awungibuza ngomthokozisi ngizocela ukuzama ungazami ukudlala ngamagama kodwa nje ucacise ukuthi ukhuluma
No, I'll do that.
ngithe ngahamba no accused number 3 nabanye sasiyi4 ngiyazi ukuthi mangikhumbula kahle nomthoko wayekhona omunye kodwa hayi accused number 4.
I would also like you to be very clear and not play with words. There's Mthoko, there's Mthokozisi, so you also need to be clear. I did say that it was myself, accused number 3. Mthoko was also there and others as well.
Okay. Then answer the question.
What is your question?
The question was, yes, I'm sorry.
Is that the occasion you are referring to? That
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
What is it?
Yes, the question is then there was another occasion where you went out. It was the 4 of you, as you have answered me, going
So,
out to buy.
lalikhona ke lelihlandla leli la kwakuyinina nobayi4 enaya ngalo nothenga utshwala.
Kulelo hlandla ngochazela ukuthi yilo elenzeke ukuthi lama ubheka ukuthi we went out to buy alcohol. Isiphume ngemonto sabuya saphinde ngaphuma nalo chair.
Okay, okay.
Yilokho mhlawumbe ngathi awuqondi.
No, I get
Maybe that is what you don't understand. It is mentioned here that we went out, that is now traveling in a vehicle, where we went to go to buy liquor, and then we came back. I then went out with this lady. Maybe that's where you don't understand.
Mangihamba nalo esifazane ngangahambi nomunye ngihamba naye kuyimi naye phela.
When I went with the lady, there was no one else. It was only the 2 of us.
Yeah, there's no problem. But so as you are saying, I just want you me to understand you clearly, because you want me to understand. The first occasion when you were traveling, sorry, it was the first occasion when you were using the vehicle. Then the second occasion was when you were walking on foot with the lady.
Ngifuna ke nami ukuthi ke ngikuzwisise kahle. Ihlandla lokuqala ileli enanihamba ngemoto, elesibili ihlandla ileli wena ke uhamba nale ntombazana.
Yebo.
Yes.
Constable, do you confirm that it is not anywhere in your statement that at some point you left in the vehicle in the company of Gadla, who is accused number 3, and another person whom you say it's Mthoko, and some other person in the vehicle? It is nowhere in your statement. You confirm that?
Uzokuvuma ke noma uzoqinisekisa yini ukuthi lokho okukhulumayo ukuthi wahamba ngemoto kuwena kuugadla Mthoko kanye futhi nabanye ke ukuthi lokho akukho nje la ku statement sakho?
Ngulungisile lokho mangikhumbula amakhuluma nge-statement eqaleni ukuthi okunye bekuphume ngenanga la wayile kumele ngene ngakhona njengalokho ukuthi siphume ngokunye yilokho bekutshela ukuthi akuphumanga lokho nje ngokunjalo ngicabanga ukuthi ngilungisile kuba bokuqala u-advocate bayiqala ngakho ukuthi sabuyela kukho nje.
I think I rectified that when I made mention that there were certain things in the statement that did not come out in the manner in which it was supposed to. I think the witness refers to the first advocate when he was cross-examining. So you are now going back to that.
Yes. Yes, I'm going back to that. As you said in your own words from the inception of my cross-examination, you did not alert the brigadier that there are some parts which were left out in your statement.
Nanjama bengikuvezile noma ngikushilo lokhu mangiqala ke ukubuza imibuzo ukuthi ke awuzange lokhu ushoko noma ukuveze kuyena ubrigadier ukuthi khona ke lokhu okusalele okungabhaliwe lapha ku statement.
Njengoba ngasho statement mangisenza ngasenza ngahamba ngithe mangibona amaphutha ngabe sengisilungisa ngokwami kodwa ngisithola ngesikhathi sokuthi ngivele ku brigadier ngize ngaya ngase ngiya ku state prosecutor ngafika ngitshela khona ngaba lezinto engiyibonile ukuthi akuzo.
I did say that I made the statement and I left. It's only after I left where I then picked up that there were some mistakes which I then rectified on my own. But I never got the time to get back to the brigadier and inform him of that. But it was only when I sat with the prosecutor that I then indicated those mistakes.
Okay. Let us now proceed and move to paragraph 5 of your statement. Is it correct that I'm going to read from paragraph 1 to 3 of paragraph 5 of your statement, which reads as follows. Around 9 p.m. on the very same day, I noticed Moses Spear, Mafiga, open bracket, Sandiso, Ndanzi, close bracket, and Gani, open bracket, Sifiso Kuhle, Zungu, Ntuli, walking after each other to Kwabeni's bedroom, coming from outside, close quotation.
Ngabo 9 ebusuku ngalelo langa lelo ngabona ke uMoses Sibiya, uMafika, Sandiso Ntanzi, uNkani Sifiso Kuhle, Zungu Ntuli behamba ke omunye emuva komunye belandelelana beyongena ekamereni likaGwabeni bebuya ngaphandle.
That is what is contained in that paragraph from line 1 to 3 to confirm that.
Yiloko okubhaliwe lapha yana. We confirm lokho.
Siphinde silungise le ndaba.
Yes, do you confirm that?
We are confirming.
Okubhaliwe.
Yes.
Okubhaliwe that.
Okubonayo.
Yes.
The which is written, which you see, okay?
Is it also correct that this which is contained there is not consistent with what you told the court in your evidence in chief? Hence, you told this court that the persons that you saw entering Kwabeni's bedroom following each other was accused numbers 1, 2, and 3. Do you confirm that?
Futhi ke nanjengoba ushilo ukuthi lokhu obhalwe lana ayisikona noma akusikona lokhu akuhambelani nalokhu wena okushoyo. Ingakho ke usutshela inkantolo ukuthi wena abantu ababona belandelelana kwaku number 1, number 2 and number 3.
Abantu abangena endlini belandelana accused number 1, 2, 3.
The people that entered the house following each other were accused number 1, 2 and 3.
Yes.
Yebo.
Accused number 4 and 5 bangene apha. Abanguthi ngulungisile lokho ukuthi igama kankani elingene lapha.
Accused number 4 and 5 came in afterwards. I think that I then mentioned that Nkani's name is the one that then got inserted there or written there.
Is it correct that, Constable, at line number 5 of the same paragraph of your statement, it reads as follows. As I was approaching the bedroom, I could hear Kwabeni saying, "There comes Baba Mncane."
Ngithi kubhaliwe ke lapha ukuthi ngathi uma sengisondela ke ekamereni ngamuza uGwabeni ethi nangeza ubaba omncane.
Yebo.
Yes.
How did you know, Constable, that that person was saying that there comes Baba Mncane was Kwabeni?
Ukwazi kanjani lokho ukuthi loyo owathi nami baba omncane eza uGwabeni?
Njengoba ngibiza ngobaba omncane.
As he's calling me baba omncane or uncle.
I mean, you had not yet entered the bedroom. So how do you know that it was Kwabeni who was saying those words?
Well, angithi wawungekangeni ekamereni. Manje wazi kanjani ke noma wawazi kanjani ukuthi kwakuuGwabeni lo wayesho lawo mazwi?
akekho engasho njalo ngaphandle kwakhe.
No one else could have said that except him.
Constable. I'm going to take you to the transcribed record of the 7th of September 2023, which contains your evidence in chief. I'm sorry, my lord, at page 19, not at page 20, right? Yeah, it's at page 19, I'm sorry, at page 19. Line 10 to 13. Constable, page 19 of the transcribed record is your evidence in chief on the 7th of September 2023. I'm going to start at line 10. Line 10 is the questioning by my colleague, Advocate Malloy, for the state. Are you following, Constable?
Yes,
Yeah,
Okay,
now.
thank you. Okay, it is also on the screen there. It reads as follows, and I quote, "Yes, what made you suspicious, Mr. Zungu, which is yourself?" Your response was the following: "Okay, it is the manner in which they came in. They then went to Kwabeni's room, and as I walked in, or as I came into the room, others said, 'Here is the uncle.' Then the rest is not relevant for purposes of
lana
this
ke
question."
usebuza ke uadvocate Baloyi yini ke eyakwenza ukuthi ube nezinsolo. Okay, indlela ke abangena ngayo base beya ke kwikamera likaGwabeni, ngathi ke uma ngingena noma ke sengizongena ekamereni abanye base bethi nangu ubaba omncane eza. Nangu ubaba omncane.
Who were the others who said, "Here is the uncle"? I'm quoting this or basing this from what is documented in that line.
Lokhu ngikusho ke ngale nto ebhalwe lana ke obani abanye ngoba lana kuthiwa abanye base bethi nangu ubaba omncane.
Wayengeyedwa uGwabeni endlini, wayeseno accused number 1, 2, 3. So wayesenabanye angithendlini. Wayengakhulumi yedwa.
Kwabeni wasn't alone in the room. He was in the presence of accused number 1, 2, and 3.
So it was not only Kwabeni who said, "Here comes Baba Mngani."
Ukusho ukuthi kwakungasiyena kuphela uGwabeni wathi nangu ubaba omncane eza.
uGwabeni wakhuluma lo mazi. Wayengakhulumi ukuthi bonke bawakhuluma ukuthi nomnye nangu omncane uGwabeni wakhuluma lo mazi. Kodwa wayinabanye angithendlini.
Kwabeni is the one who said those words. It's not like he said it, the other said it, the other one and the other one. But the thing is, he was with other people in the room.
Is it also correct, Constable, that what made you to be suspicious was the manner that they walked in? They walked in fast, they were walking fast, and they looked shocked. That is what you told this court in your evidence in chief.
Angito
You confirm that?
bakutshela ukuthi ke okwakwenza ukuthi benensolo indlela abangena ngayo bangena bejahile futhi ke kuke ukuthi bethukile.
Yebo, yikho ngikushilo.
Yes, that's what I said.
Is it correct, Constable, that you did not qualify your suspicion by saying that they looked shocked and they were walking fast into Kwabeni's bedroom, in your statement,
Kwi-statement sakho lokhu kokuthi bangena bejahile futhi kubonakala ukuthi labantu bethukile laba ukuthi akukho lokho kwi-statement sakho. Indlela abangena ngayo bejahile ukubonakala ukuthi futhi khona lento ebathusile ukuthi lokho akubhalwanga lapha e-statement sakho.
Hayi, ubhale statement bangena belandelana. Ukuthi bangena bethukile mhlawumbe indlela bengokuchaza ngayo. Ngoba uthi ne-training ephoyisa yangifundisa ukubona ukuthi lo isigebengu ngabona ukuthi laba kwabuyoganga somewhere. Ile training yakwazi ukuthi wazi basona balande statement.
You made reference to my training. So that particular training is the one that then made me to be able to see that these one are coming from committing something, which then made me to follow them. Here it is only written that they came in following each other.
yes, but you confirm that that is not in your statement.
Kodwa kuyavuma ukuthi akukho lokho lapha statement sakho. Lana bhalwe nje kuphela ukuthi bangena belandelana ukuthi babethukile, babejahile akubhaliwe lapha.
Kunjalo.
That's correct.
Okay, thank you.
Bangena belandelana futhi.
Right. No, you are right. Thank you. In the very same paragraph, Constable, you told this court that you smell your firearm, the service fire or pistol, yes, a 9mm, the Z88,
Ushilo ukuthi
which belongs to the state.
wathi umusithatha ke wasinuka.
Yebo.
Yes.
You are also suspicious that it might have been used in the commission of the offense.
Kuney'nsolo zokuthi kwangenzeka ukuthi naso sasetshenziswa ubugebengu.
Nangisola zona lezo nsolo.
I had those suspicions exactly.
Did you also smell the .38 revolver?
I-revolver i.38 wayinuka nayo?
No.
No.
Did you smell the 9mm pistol that you said it was allegedly in possession of accused number 3?
Yes? No.
Why not?
I didn't smell it.
Why not?
Why kwamele ngikwenze lokho ngoba ungesizo lesami?
Why was I supposed to do that? Because it didn't belong to me.
What made you, to smell your firearm? You're suspicious that it had been used in the commission of the offense.
Kodwa kwakuyingani usinuke sakhe isibhamu ngaba uney'nsolo zokuthi sasetshenziswa kubugebengu.
Ngangibona abanye bephethe ibhamu.
I saw others carrying firearms.
I really don't understand. You are also a policeman in the South African Police Services, Constable. There's a privilege. It was highlighted to you yesterday. You are at liberty not to answer questions which I posed to you because of that privilege in terms of Section 203 of the CPA. As a police officer in the South African Police Services, you see exchange of firearms. In the hostel room, you do nothing.
Nanjengephoyisa ke utsheliwe ke futhi nangama privilege onawo ke nanjengephoyisa ke ubona ke kushintshiswana ngezibhamu lana ke ehostel nanjengephoyisa akunalutho nje owalenza.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngalenza yikho ula icourt ingakho sila icourt namhlanje.
I did do something, and which is why we are here in court today.
Yeah, but that happened some years later. I mean, on that particular day, the 26th of October 2014, you did nothing.
Yebo lokho kwenzeka ukuthi ukwenzeke emuva kweminyaka kodwa ngikhuluma ngaleli langa lange-26 sika October 2014 akukho owakwenza.
You confirm that you did nothing.
Uyaqinisekisa lokho ukuthi akukho owakwenza ngaleli langa.
Kwangamele ngikwenze ngalelo langa, kwangumele ngikwenze mase kunesikhathi isi-right nje ngaso lesi.
I wasn't supposed to do it at that time. I had to do it at the right time, just like this one.
Is it correct, Constable, that at line 20 and 21 of paragraph 5 of your statement, you told You said the following, I'm sorry, you said the following. Mthokozi Simapisa and Carlos Mthobisi Ncube walked into the bedroom and sat on the bed.
Laphayana ke ubhale noma utheke uMthokozi Simaphisa kanye noCarlos Ncube base bengena ke ekamereni bahlala phezu kombhede. Yilokho okubhaliwe lapha.
Yilokho okubhalwe la.
That's what's written here, yes.
So, and what you told this court in your evidence in chief, you confirm, Constable, that it is inconsistent with what I've read to you. In fact, in your evidence in chief, you told this court that the two persons who entered was Mthokozi Mapisa, accused number 4, and accused number 5.
Kodwa ke lokho okubhaliwe lana ayisikona lokho okukhulumile wena. Uma utshela lenkantolo wena uthe abangena kamuva belandelana kwaku accused number 4 and number 5.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngilungisile leli phutha njengoba ngishilo leli yagama kwangamele lingene lapha. Salilungisa nasekuqaleni namanje futhi ngiyalungisa.
I think I rectified that the name at the top was not supposed to have been written there, and I'm still rectifying it now.
Which accused number 4 and accused number 5 bangena emva kwabo laba bangena kuqala laba abanye bona bangena ekugcineni.
That accused number 4 and 5 came in after the others that already came in.
Yesterday, Constable, when you were being questioned or cross-examined by my colleague, Advocate Nisi, you told this court that there was a newspaper article that you saw, and in that article there was an identity kit which was depicted there. You confirm that?
Ushilo ke solomkathu buzo uyena ke Advocate Nisi ukuthi kwakho ke le newspaper, kule newspaper kwakho le identity kit eyayilapha.
Yes.
Yes, I did.
What was the newspaper?
Yiphi leyo newspaper le?
Noma ngengikhumbula ukuthi yona yiphi ngoba mangikhumbula ngafuna ukufunda newspaper eyi-1 kodwa nabo Citizen ngayibona.
Although I can't remember which particular newspaper because I did not only read one newspaper, but I saw it on the Citizen as well, or in the Citizen.
Constable, there is an identity kit which is attached in a statement of the warrant officer in the Southern Police Services, Warrant Officer Amanda Yvonne Steenkamp. We had agreed, my lord, that in the event that the state is not calling the warrant officer, that is Warrant Officer Amanda Yvonne Steenkamp, the defense agreed that it is going to call the warrant officer as the defense witness. Warrant officer, I'm just going to show you the identity kit, which is relevant. Constable, there is an identity kit which is attached. You see the pictures of the identity kit?
Uyayibona lezo ithombe ze-identity kit
Zerasta.
of the Rasta person. Of the Rasta person.
Yes, the person with dreadlocks.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Constable, since you had told this court about the newspaper article where you saw the identity kit, is that the identity kit that you saw on the newspaper article?
iyona leyo wayibona kwi-newspaper article.
kodwa engahambi iyi-1 ehamba iyi-2.
Yes, but it was not only one of them, there were two.
Which one? Which one is that? The one that you saw in the newspaper
wayibona
article?
kwi-newspaper
Can you show us?
engahambi iyi-1 shuthi lapha kunama-suspect ayi-2.
okay.
Kwi-newspaper. On the newspaper, there were two suspects. It was not only one depicted.
Constable, I'll then move forward with my cross-examination. You can keep that identity kit for a moment. I'll go to page 33 of your evidence in chief of the 7th of September 2023. I'll start reading for purposes of my cross-examination.